Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about end of month DAX function in Power BI Desktop. Skills.com. See this here. In this place have time date functions and next one is text functions. Okay. See this here. This is our website. It's totally free. Okay. This learning based website. Okay. See this here. This is end of DAX function syntax. End of month dates. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I'm already imported some data. Okay, and next go to report and click new measure and type here calculate and sum of sales, close this parenthesis. Okay, now end of month. Okay, see this here, returns the end of month, add date please. Okay, and next close this check this DAX function. Okay, next go to visualizations and click curve and select measure. See this here, this is end of month sales. Okay, let's check this function. Okay, see this here, now I am selecting slicer and select date and go click this drop down, select this list and next one is select card and next sales and see this here, this is last month. Okay, this is end of month. See this here, end of month 12 minutes. Okay, see this here, this is 12 minutes. Okay, this is end of DAX function in Power BI Desktop.